As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two Charbroil grills, the classic 2-burner and the performance 4-burner. Both have a side burner, which is cool.
Yeah, I saw those too. The 2-burner is definitely more compact, right? Like for a small patio or something?
Exactly. It's only 45.6 inches wide, whereas the 4-burner is a hefty 53.1 inches. Big difference. The 2-burner weighs only 37.5 pounds.
Okay, so size and weight are a big difference. But what about cooking space? I like to grill for a crowd sometimes.
Well, the 4-burner has a much larger primary cooking area, 475 square inches versus the 2-burner's 280. Plus, it has a 130 square inch warming rack, so you could grill like twice as many burgers at once.
Wow, significant difference there. What about power? Does the bigger grill mean more heat?
Yep, the 4-burner boasts 36,000 BTUs, while the 2-burner only puts out 20,000. The side burner on the 4-burner is also more powerful, 10,000 BTUs compared to 8,000.
Okay, so the 4-burner is winning in terms of size, cooking area, and power. What about the grates? Are they the same?
Nope, different materials. The 2-burner has porcelain-coated wire grates, which are lightweight and easy to clean. The 4-burner has porcelain-coated cast-iron grates, which retain heat better and give you those nice grill marks.
That's a plus for the 4-burner. Any other differences that stand out?
The 4-burner has electronic ignition, which is super convenient. And it has LED illuminated control knobs, which is a nice touch for nighttime grilling. Oh, and it also has a temperature gauge built into the lid.
Fancy. What about price? I imagine the 4-burner is pricier.
Definitely. The 2-burner is around $139, while the 4-burner is about $369.99.
Okay, that makes sense. So basically, if you need a compact and affordable grill for smaller cookouts, the 2-burner is a good option. But if you want more space power and features, and you're willing to spend more, the 4-burner is the way to go.
Exactly. It depends on your needs and budget, really. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.